How's it going, everyone? Hope you're having a great day. Today we are going to be installing the RTR lights on my 2016 Mustang. As you can see, I do have the grill, but I am still going to show you a step-by-step process on how to do it. So let's get started. First things first, let's jack this car up. Alright, once you jacked up the car, make sure your hood is open or something before that. But now that the car is up, we're going to remove these little 8 clips. I'm missing one, but there's a total of 8, and we're going to remove this little plastic piece off. So let's go ahead and do that. You could just go ahead and get a flat head and just pop the top part a bit, or all of it, it doesn't matter, and the second part just follows. That's all you're going to be removing. You're going to be removing 8 of these. After you remove all 8, this just comes right off. Once you took that out, we're going to remove those little 8 bolts. Now it's going to be around 6, I believe, of the 8mm, and there's going to be these 2 little ones hiding behind that. So you can see right there. Yep, one on each side. These little ones is going to be a 5.5, and these are going to be 8mm. So let's go ahead and start with that. And then just these 2. There's one on each side, just hiding back there. Okay, now that we're done up here, we're gonna go down here. Yep, got my jack stands up there. And we're gonna be taking out these bolts. They're all around. There's these 3 as well. But you're gonna also have to remove these clips as well. There's 3 of these on each side. So we're gonna remove them with the 7mm socket. So here goes. So there's a total of 16 of these that you take out with the 7mm, and the rest are the clips. I recommend maybe taking off the clips first. That'll be much easier. Once that's done, you could just pull this backwards and comes right off. Okay, once we're done under, now we're gonna move to this wheel. This is a front facing part. There's gonna be 3 clips. Sadly, I only have 1, so we're gonna just take this one out. But there's gonna be a total of 3 that you have to remove, and just like the other ones, just take it out with the flat head. Okay, once you've taken out all 3 clips, next thing to do is move the fender. Ooh. Just move it out of the way. Okay, once you move the fender out of the way, there's actually a 7mm bolt in there. Just try to get in there, move this fender out of the way as much as possible. If you want, you could try to get it stuck onto the wheel or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's very difficult. There's like a little small entry up here as well. That's what I use to hold it down while I loosen it up. Dang it, have I not broken it at least? Okay, yeah, here it goes. It'll take longer with the ratchet, but once I broke it, it seems to be coming out. Yep. This is the worst one, I swear. So here you go. Out. Next step, we're gonna remove the plugs off the fog lights. So there's one right here. The fog lights and turn signal. So there's that one. It's just a clip and you pull. This big one as well, this clip right there. Yeah, see that clip? So just press it and pull as best as you can. Ow! But yeah. And just push and pull. And then there's a little small one over here. You'll feel like the little tab, so just push it and pull. See? And it's gonna be a little tab right there. And do the same thing on the other side. Alright, now that we're up here again, we're gonna take this bumper off the car, basically. Best way to do it for you won't break the tabs here. What I suggest y'all do is grab it where it's perfectly fine, where you can have your thumb and everything firm, and you're gonna pull pretty hard. But they say just to pull, but I recommend you push up and you try to pull at the same time, and you won't damage any of your clips at all. Okay, well now both clips are out of the way, so what we're gonna do is take off the bumper. Woo! Look at that. Okay, so I obviously have mine installed already, but first it says to remove this, and I'm just doing it for y'all. It's just the opposite of the top one. Jesus Christ. Okay, you get rid of that. Okay, so essentially all you're gonna have to be doing is you're gonna pull this up, and you're gonna use a flathead, trust me. Pull it up and then just pull at the same time. Once you get rid of 1, 2, or 3 together, all the other ones just come out pretty easily. Is put the lights, because my last ones didn't work properly. But I drilled 3 holes, one right here. They have the indentions for you to drill them, and there's 3 of them right here. Okay, now all I gotta do though is put the light in here, line it up, and then just put the screws that come with it. 1. 3. Perfect. So just tighten them up, obviously, and you got your light on. Okay, also make sure that you unplug the headlight plug thingy, which is this one right here. There's a little tab right there. I already took it off, so that's why it was fairly easy, but it's kind of hard. But there's this tab right there. You pull it out, and that's where you're gonna plug your RTR lights. Okay, so we're on the right wheel. This is a headlight harness. We're gonna try to figure out how to put this on correctly, so here we go. Okay, all right, so we're gonna plug in the light harness. Dang, which one is it? Okay, I think it's this one. Okay, so we connect that one, and then just pass it up there, guys. Make sure there's enough space. Just make sure you don't pull on your wires too much while you're testing this out. Move the bumper as close as you can. Okay, it's in there. Everything looks a-okay. Alright, here's the moment of truth. Hopefully everything works out. Everything's working? Yes. Yes, everything's working fine. Perfect. These are bright up. Okay, what you're going to want to do is clean up these little areas right there, because that's where those little black box with the 3M are going to be stuck to. Okay, so actually we're going to be putting them up there, up on the arrows on top of it. It's a better fit, it's a lot smoother, and it's a lot better. So we're going to put them there. And you can see here, my brother came out to help me out because it's easier with 2 people instead of just trying it by myself. You can see we put them on top of that little bar, and it works great. No. Okay, so now we're here. We have put everything up. I put it on top. Now we just got to do everything backwards. So obviously put it back on. Okay, after that we're gonna go back down again. Okay, And as you can see, I mean, it's as simple. The wire just came through here. I just put it above the horns, and I think that's as safe as it could get, to be honest. And yeah, just like that. I mean, as long as it's not pulling too hard, doesn't look like it's gonna go anywhere. So it's pretty nice right there. So anyways, we're gonna put these back. Just, you know, same way you took them out, but now you don't even have to worry about pressing anything. Just go back in right inside. Same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna put that little screw back in here. The most difficult one. So just move the fender out of the way. Put the screw in there and tighten it up. And now you can go ahead and put those 3 clips back. Sadly, I only have one, but I'll be okay with that. Alright, now we're gonna put this thing back on. So first things first, just slide it back on in there. Jesus Christ, man. Okay, so you're just gonna go ahead and just, you know, just try to figure out a way to put it in there, guys. It's pretty simple. Just, you know, just jimmy it in there, out there, whatever you want. There you go. There you go. Now it's in place. Now, I highly recommend not putting the bolts all the way in. Keep them loose, because if you tighten them up, it's going to be a big mess. You're not going to be able to line up all of them. So like I said, keep it loose. Don't tighten them all the way. Okay, so I can't find that one, but I think we should be fine. It still feels sturdy. I mean, it's just one missing here, but we'll be more. Oh my God, guys! Literally, I'm freaking. I've been going crazy this whole time. Hold on. I've been going crazy, and look at it. It got stuck right there. Oh my God, I swear. Oh my God. I'm like so mad. I wasted so much time looking for it, but I'm glad I found. Oh my God. Check your magnet, guys. You never know if it's just chilling there. Alright. So yeah, just put these back. Anyways, I'm gonna put these 8 back in there. Remember, there's 2 small ones at the end, and then the 6 big ones. So just go ahead and put them, and make sure you're like at 8, because you don't want to go too hard, because then you'll crack it, kind of like what I did. So learn from my mistakes, guys. Perfect. Doesn't push too hard. Doesn't push more than it needs to. Stops where it needs to. And now, you know, just go ahead and just go ahead and put this on there. Put your clips back in there. And there you go, guys. All finished. Go ahead and close your hood. And let's see the final results, guys. If everything was done correctly, it should turn on right now with the remote. So yes, look at that. That looks beautiful. Oh my God. Well, guys, here I go. I mean, I definitely dropped the ISO a lot, so you can see how beautiful they look. So amazing. Look at that. Wow, this is pretty good lighting, I guess. That's gonna be it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed, hit that like button, subscribe for more, because I will be posting more, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Peace.